guys, always try to show them that Charlie, you are at the top. You are at the top of your game. That is one of the tricks that women will always, you see, when you possess that trick, they always think about you. You know, women always want good things. Charlie, my guys, Charlie, today we dey talk about things you need to do so that women will stop thinking about you. Charlie, I want you guys to get your game so tight. Charlie, I want you guys to be so successful, so charming that Charlie, every girl you have encounter with can never and ever resist you and will never and ever stop thinking about you. Charlie, Boss Leo be the name, aka the Ghetto Youth Motivator, aka the Girls Dema Slayer. Charlie, welcome to my channel. Yeah, if you like my video, Charlie, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, like the video, comment and share. Charlie, you do, so that women can never stop thinking about you. They will never stop thinking about you. It's you to master the demonstration of high value. You get it? You should to master how to demonstrate that you are a high value. See, guys, I want you guys to lift up your game. Yeah, I want you guys to, always dress well, look well. Charlie, I want you guys to always act like the world is yours. You don't understand? And everything in the world belongs to you, man, guy. Every time, that is how you should walk. You should walk as if everything in this world belongs to you. Even if you are not up to that level yet, man, guys. Always try to show them that Charlie, you are at the top. You are at the top of your game. That is one of the tricks that women will always, you see, when you possess that trick, they always think about you. You know, women always want good things, Charlie. So the more you act as a good man or as a good thing or as a good value, you see them chasing after you. Man, guys, always lift your game, always look good, always be classic. Whenever you are classic, see, any girl that you have encounter with can never and will never resist you and will never stop thinking about. This is how you show high value, Charlie. You always have to dress well. You get it? You always have to look well. You get it? You dress as if you own a bank. You dress as if the whole world is yours. That is number one. Number two, of how to show that you are high value, your physique, Charlie, how you look. That is why I always tell you guys that you should train. Charlie, you need to train well. You need to train hard so that you look perfectly well. I'm also lacking in that angle, and very soon I'm going to put myself into shape, Charlie. Guys, this is what you do to show them that you are high value. You dress well, you yourself, you train and become well, or you look well. Then third, you always go out, you always socialize with people. You see, girls always want to see that people are always after you, people are always chasing you, everybody wants to be part of your life. You get it? That makes you a great person. So she too, she'll be fighting to be part of your life. That is how our women are. That is how they think, man, guys. If you are able to demonstrate these three things I'm always talking about, yeah, you always dress well, you always look well, and you always have a social life, Charlie, any girl that you go closer to or any girl you have encounter with can never forget about you, Charlie. Boss Leo, stop being too much available. You should stop being too much around, Charlie. We always think that spending much time with your woman or always being available for your woman will make her love you the more. No, guys. See, women, they don't know what they want. You get it? The more you spend time with her, the more you are always around, the quicker she get bored. You get it? And whenever she get bored, you should know that the relationship is coming to an end, because she will start her behavior, she will start one or two of those things, and you won't take it. You get it? So, man, guys, stop being around, stop showing too much love, because you want her to feel that you love her, so you are always around. See, this is what destroyed one of my relationships. You get it? I was madly in love with this girl. I was always around, Charlie, because I love her. I want to do everything to make her happy, not knowing I was getting her bored. And Charlie, it got to a time, Charlie, she just bounced me just like that. You get it? I mean, at that time, I don't know what was my mistake. I don't know what I did wrong. But now, I can point all my mistakes. I can tell you everything I did wrong. I was too much available. I was too much there for her. You get it? Whenever you do this, you thinking doing this will make her love you. No, doing this will rather ruin your relationship. Guys, Charlie, that is why I always tell you that push in. Put that time in yourself, work hard, always try to figure something out, always try to push your life forward. You get, rather than spending time with your woman. The more you push yourself, the more you try to be better, the more you get yourself busy, the more she thinks about you, because she is not seeing you and you are not around. We miss what we don't have. If you have something, you don't miss it. Charlie Bosley, my brothers, Charlie, the last thing you do, my brothers, the last thing you do that she will always be thinking about you is you giving her experiences. Charlie, experiences. You giving her a quality time, you giving her a better enjoyment. Man, guys, see, I always tell you, women, they get bored very quickly. You get it? The little boredom that happens, or the little roughness that happens, no, she will quickly get bored. You get it? So if you don't give her experiences, like you don't travel with her, you don't do fun things with her, you don't make her enjoy, I mean, she will get bored very quickly. You get it? As I'm talking to you right now, me and my baby will be going out very soon. You get it? We are going to the beach side, we are going to ride horses, we are going to play. I'm going to give her an experience, Charlie, something that whenever I'm not around, she can be thinking about it. And because she is thinking about the fun we had, because she is thinking about the wonderful time I gave her, I mean, I'll always be in her mind. This is how you make a woman to always think about you. This is how you make a woman glued to you, Charlie, man. Guys, Charlie Bosley be the name again, aka the Ghetto Youth Motivator, aka the Girls Dem Slayer. Man, guys, if today be the first day you watch my video, I beg you subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. If you know you be member already, I beg you like the video and comment. See, the more you people like the video, the more YouTube share the video to people, for people to watch, man. Guys, this is why I always beg you guys to like the video for me, Charlie Bosley.